My name is Elaine. I am a Year 1 student at City University of Hong Kong. This summer, I have went to PolyU for 7 days IC training, which the schedule includes structural steel, formwork and forcework, concrete and reinforcement fixing, brickwork and plastering, non-destructive tests and anchoring. Day 1, structural steel. The tutor was introduced tools and machines how to use in steel work, and he wear a whole set of clothes to demonstrate that welding and cut steel method. We need to wear helmets, goggles, and earmuffs to protect ourselves. We need to make a steel chair in this session, and we have divided into several groups. Some students are calculate the dimension, some guys are cut the steels, and some girls are drilling the holes. Other students are welding and use bolts to connect the steel. This is the result of the steel chair. Day 2, formwork. Before practice, the tutor has introduced the hand tools and machines how to use. Based on the picture, we calculate the dimension of the formwork, which must be decided to ensure the formwork can be fixed to the cricker. The plywood blocks are cut by the machine and plates cut by saw. Moreover, we need to tap the net to fix plywood blocks and plates together. Finally, we need to use the railing to fix the formwork. Day 3, scaffolding. To erect a scaffold, it is quite dangerous, and we need to wear enough safety equipment to protect ourselves. There are about 20 students to build up a scaffold. We can share the work and use different tools to build up a scaffold. When erecting a scaffold, make sure it stands upright. The steel bar has to be assured horizontal. Otherwise, the steel rods cannot be installed properly on the upper plate of the scaffold. Day 4, concrete. Firstly, we need to calculate the volume of the formwork we have made the day before and paint waterproof oil inside of the formwork. And then we need to calculate and weigh the cement, aggregates, and water, which is able to mix them in an appropriate ratio. We will put the material to the mixing machine to cast the concrete, which can mix it well, and use the slump test to check the workability of the concrete. And then, the first concrete will put into the formwork and use the vibrator to vibrate concrete so that to avoid honeycombing and segregation. Finally, we also need to finish the top of the concrete, which makes its surface smooth. Day 5, reinforcement fixing. At first, we remove the formwork that we have cast and a brief inspection of the concrete. We need to check which area are with more honeycomb and then use hammer to break the concrete and check the strength of the concrete. After that, some useful tools are used to fix and cut the reinforcement. We use the data calculated in the morning lessons and use the tools and wires to fix the reinforcement. Also, we need to put covers surrounding the beam, which to avoid reinforcement exposed to the concrete. Day 6. Brickwork and plastering. There are many different materials in this part, and tools will be used. In brickwork and mortaring, I need to mark lines to ensure the work is in straight line, and we can calculate how many tiles and bricks will be used. Moreover, leveling is very important when build up brickwork. And for tiling, you can make sure it is in level and at right angle or not. When plastering, the wall cannot be too dry, otherwise the plastering will not work efficient and good. The tiles on the wall can stick with lime, and the tiles on the floor stick with cement frame. Day 7. Non-destructive test and anchoring. Firstly, we need to do the rebound hammer test. In this test, calibration is needed before carrying out the test. And rebound hammer choose several bonds from concrete blocks to test and get rebounded results respectively. Secondly, we will do the half-shell test. In this test, we will find out corrosive steel inside the concrete. Use the high-resistance voltmeter to get the result. Thirdly, we will do the cover meter test, which to search the position and determine its orientation and estimate its bar size and cover thickness. Later, we need to drill an anchor inside concrete. The instructor has demonstrated the top control expansion and use tracker to short out the debris inside concrete. Then, we need to use a hammer to anchor into concrete, which to fix it well. Finally, we put the concrete on purpose and find the anchor very powerful in cutting concrete. Thank you. That's the end of my movie to introduce the IC training information.